Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to password protect your WordPress website. So let's say you have a portfolio website and you just want the people that have password to that website to have access to your portfolio. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create something like that. So if you check this particular website now, let me open this in a new tab, in a new private window. So let's check the website. As you can see, this website is not password protected, right? So this is what we want to achieve. Let me open this. So this is what we want to achieve. This is another website that has been password enabled. So you have to have a password before you can access the website. So you see, once I enter the password, I have access to the website. So this is charity.pol tutorial, while the other one is child. So let's password protect child.portutorial.com. To do that, we are going to be using a plugin called Password Protected. So to install the plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click on Add New. So you're going to search for Password Protected. So you're going to see this plugin called Password Protected by WP Expert. Click on Install Now. Click on Activate. Go to Settings. Click on Password Protected. Can you see here? So once you're done, you scroll down. So you're going to see the Password Protected options. So the first option you're going to see is the password protected status. Do you want status? Do you want to enable or disable the password protected feature on the website? So for me, I'll click on enable. The next thing is protected permissions. So if you enable allow administrator, what this would do is going to allow the administrator to have access to the WordPress dashboard without going through the password every single time. So if I don't enable this, every time I try to open the website as an administrator, I have to enter the password, which is not good because as an administrator, you already have access. So for me, I'm just going to allow this. The same thing with logged in users. You can enable this for logged in users, for RSS feeds, and for REST API access. The next thing is to set our password. And for me, I'm just going to be using charity. All right. So you enter the password, then confirm the password. The next thing is to allow IP addresses. Let's say you want to give another person access to the website and you don't want them to go through the password hassle. What you can do is to get the IP address. Once you get the IP address, you can just put an imputed IP address here. So for me, I can just copy this one, paste it. All you have to do is to ask for the IP address. Once they give you that, put it here. And if you want to add multiple IP address, don't forget to click on enter, add the IP address on the next line. Can you see it this way? So for me, I'm going to remove all this. The next option here is allow remember me. Now, what this does is once, let's say a user which you've given the password to comes to the website, they enter the password, how long do you want them to have access to that website without re-entering the password? So that's what the remember me means. So yeah, you can also set the days. So for me, I can do 3 days, I can do 10 days. So after that 10 days, once they come back to that website, they have to re-enter the password. So for me, I'm just going to do 10 days. So after that 10 days, they have to re-enter the password. Once you're done, you click on Save Changes. Now let's check this website. Let's check our website. Ignore what is written here. You have enabled password protection and allowed administrators. Other users will still need to enter a password to view. Yes, I'm okay with this. All right, so let me check the website on a new private window. All right, you can see our website is now password protected. So let me enter the password. Click on remember me, click on login. And that's it. We have access to the website. So that's basically how to password protect your entire WordPress website. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the like button. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.